Today I am reviewing the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum with Matrix Clean Navigation. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a powerful, smart, and low-maintenance cleaning solution, the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum AV2511AE is one of the most advanced robot vacuums you can get right now. It's designed to take the hassle out of cleaning while delivering consistent, deep clean performance across different floor types, making it especially appealing for busy households and pet owners. Let's start with suction power, because that's where this vacuum truly shines. The Shark AI Ultra is equipped with strong suction that effectively lifts dirt, dust, and debris from both carpets and hard floors. Whether it's fine dust, crumbs, or stubborn pet hair, this vacuum is built to handle all. On carpets, it digs deeper to extract embedded dirt, while on hard floors it efficiently captures particles without scattering them. This makes it a reliable, everyday cleaning companion that keeps your home consistently clean without requiring manual vacuuming. One of the standout features is the Matrix Clean Navigation system. Instead of randomly moving around your home like older robot vacuums, this model follows a precise grid-based cleaning pattern. It makes multiple passes over the same area from different angles, ensuring that no spots are missed. This results in a much more thorough clean compared to traditional random path robot vacuums. You can actually see the difference after a cleaning session, especially in high-traffic areas where dirt tends to build up. Navigation is handled by 360-degree LiDAR mapping technology, which allows the vacuum to scan and map your home with impressive accuracy. It quickly learns the layout of your space, including furniture placement and room structure, and adapts its cleaning routes accordingly. Even in low light or dark conditions, the LiDAR system continues to work efficiently, which means you can schedule cleaning at any time of day or night. This smart mapping also allows you to create no-go zones, set cleaning schedules, and target specific areas through the app. Another major highlight is the self-emptying base, which is designed to hold up to 60 days of dirt and debris. This means you won't need to empty the dustbin frequently, which is a huge convenience. The base is bagless, so you don't have to worry about buying replacement bags, making it more cost-effective over time. The vacuum automatically empties itself after each cleaning session, so you can truly set it and forget it for weeks at a time. This feature is especially useful for busy users who want a low-maintenance cleaning solution. For homes with pets, this vacuum is a game-changer. It is specifically designed to handle pet hair, dander, and allergens with ease. The self-cleaning brush roll is particularly helpful because it actively removes hair wrap, preventing the common issue of hair getting tangled around the brush. This means less maintenance and consistent performance over time. Combined with strong suction and the self-emptying base, it becomes an excellent choice for pet owners who need reliable cleaning without constant upkeep. Control options are flexible and modern. You can use voice commands through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant to start, stop, or schedule cleanings hands-free. Alternatively, you can use the companion mobile app to control everything from your smartphone. Through the app, you can set cleaning schedules, select specific rooms, adjust suction levels, and monitor cleaning progress. This level of control makes the vacuum very user-friendly and convenient to operate. Battery life is another important aspect, and the Shark AI Ultra handles this well with its recharge and resume feature. If the battery runs low during a cleaning session, the vacuum automatically returns to its dock to recharge. Once it's charged, it resumes cleaning exactly where it left off. This ensures full coverage of your home without interruptions, even in larger spaces. You don't have to worry about manually restarting the cleaning process, which adds to the overall convenience. The design is also well thought out. The vacuum itself has a sleek, modern look and a cool gray finish, and it's compact enough to move under furniture in tight spaces. The included XL self-empty base is slightly larger, but necessary for the convenience it provides. Despite its size, it blends well into most home environments and doesn't feel intrusive. One of the biggest advantages of this robot vacuum is how much time it saves. Instead of spending hours cleaning floors manually, you can rely on this device to handle daily maintenance cleaning automatically. It's perfect for keeping your home tidy between deep cleans and it can significantly reduce the amount of effort required to maintain a clean living space. Of course, like any device, it's important to understand its limitations. While it excels at daily cleaning and maintaining floors, it may not fully replace a deep manual clean in every scenario. For example, heavily soiled areas or very large debris might still require occasional manual attention. However, for everyday use, it performs exceptionally well and reduces the need for frequent manual vacuuming. Overall, the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum is a highly capable and convenient cleaning solution that combines strong suction, intelligent navigation, and long-term convenience. With features like matrix clean, LiDAR mapping, self-emptying, and voice control, it stands out as a premium option in the robot vacuum market. If you're looking for a smart vacuum that can keep your home clean with minimal effort, especially if you have pets, this is one of the best options available. It's a solid investment for anyone who values time, convenience, and a consistently clean home.